I just used Google's new Gemini Canvas to turn a simple business idea into a complex design in under 30 seconds. Canvas is a new interactive space within Gemini designed to make creating, refining, and sharing your work easy. It helps you create websites, documents, presentations, and visual content just by describing what you want. Now, if you're just going to sit there and not learn visual AI tools like this, you're going to keep on paying designers thousands of dollars while the rest of us create professional content for free. I know most people think you need years of design training or expensive software to create professional videos. That's not true. With Gemini Canvas, you can create stunning websites, presentations, and also marketing materials. With Gemini Canvas, you can turn simple documents into a fully functional website in just 30 seconds. If you ignore this, you're going to get stuck paying others to do what you could do yourself. For you to have access to this, just come to gemini.google.com. You're going to be on this page. If it's your first time, this is exactly what you're going to see. When you are here, just simply select Canvas. If it's not showing here, you can just click here and you're going to select Canvas from your prompt bar, and this gives you the ability to write and edit documents or code with changes appearing in real time. It's completely free to start. All you have to do is just make sure that you select it. Now, instead of you drawing or designing, you just tell Canvas what you want it to do for you. So for instance, here we're going to say create a modern landing page for a fitness coaching business with a hero section, testimonials, and pricing. I just click on submit, and here it is going to start doing the thing for you. Effortlessly, it's going to generate high quality first drafts. Then you can refine them later if you want. You can also ask Canvas to change colors, layouts, content, or entire sections just by talking to it. And here, because it's done, it is going to preview this website for you. You can preview this. So we have everything we need here. If I click on the start here, it takes me to the pricing section, which is beautiful. And here I can click on the end of this. Can you see all these beautiful animations? It looks nice, it looks good. Even the menus on top here, they are working. If I click on contacts, it goes there and it does all these things. Now I just want to do this again one more time. I'll give it the same prompt, but now this time I'll just say create a modern landing page for a fitness coaching business. Okay, so you can see how creative this is. I'll just start a new project here and I'll come here. I just paste my prompt here and I'll just come on the tools and select Canvas. When you select this, that's when you can build things with it. So it's going to do this same thing again, and just like that, it has finished writing the code for this our second version project. And here you can see it does a pretty good job also, but this time around it goes ahead and adds even the features that we didn't have in the first version. So we have the contact section, and we have the meet your coach here, so you can put the image if you're the coach. You have a beautiful good looking colors, everything, the branding, the colors looks good. Okay, click on testimonials here, it takes me to the success stories section. If I go back on top here just to test about everything works, right? The services, you have all these good looking sections. So there's no reason for you to say, I don't know how to create websites. You want to start a business, you can start a business today, because AI makes it so simple for anyone to actually start a business. And Gemini Canvas is really powerful feature that we have in Google Gemini that you can actually use to build websites like this. Not only websites, but you can build anything you want. This is just an example to show you how powerful this is. Also on top here, you can switch between the preview and the code. So you can see the code that it wrote for you here. You can also preview the website in real time. If you don't like anything in this website, you can just simply click down here. You can select and ask it. So when you click there, you can select the section or the part that you want it to refine. For instance, here now you just ask it. So I can just say make the button bigger, and it is going to be sent in here. Because we highlighted this section here, we should be able to see that this pattern is going to be edited and it's going to be bigger as the way we expect it to. Now our button is bigger. All we did is just select the part that we wanted it to edit, then it was able to do it for us without wasting time. Don't need to write any code. There's no code needed. Everything looks pretty good. Here we also have another feature to add, Gemini feature. When I click here, it is going to actually think about this entire project, and it is going to add the Gemini feature to your landing page. And here it says, of course, I've enhanced the fitness coaching landing page with a creative feature powered by the Gemini API. Now potential clients can get a taste of your personalized coaching right from the contact form. Here it is done. You can just come down here and see what it has done. Here we can see we have the Generate AI Starter Plan. This is the Gemini AI feature that was just added to our landing page. This is what this button does. Alright, so this is exactly what we want. When you are done designing and building your web app, you can share it with people so they can see it. By just clicking on the share, you can come here, you can copy this link here, or just click on it. It's going to open a new tab where you're going to see your website in details. You can just copy the link and share it with people you want, or any of these social media platforms down here. Here you can see your website in details. You can see how it looks like on big screens. And this is powerful. This is pretty good. If you are a business owner and you don't have a landing page for your business, for yourself, or maybe a portfolio website, you can just simply come to Gemini Canvas here and tell it to build a landing page for you. This is how I was able to build this website in just 30 seconds. Simple, real, and anyone can do this. All these AI features that we're getting in all these AI models, they make it very easy for you to work and achieve so much, because it's always ready to help you refine your code, documents, or even big projects. This time, if you give an excuse of saying, I don't know how to do this, then you're just lazy, because all these tools are here at your disposal to use. So there's no excuse to give anymore. All you have to do is learn how to just come here, gemini.google.com. Try this out, ask it, play around with it, tell it to do things for you, see how powerful it is, and use it to your advantage. And if you're serious enough, you can actually start making money with them. If you want me to show you more specific design techniques with Canvas, comment design, and I'll create a detailed tutorial for you. If you have any questions concerning Gemini Canvas, please drop them in the comments. Otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Subscribe for more videos like this. I hope it was helpful. And if it was, leave a like on this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.